Do you know that more than 80% of women over 40 are living with belly fat, dull skin, and restless sleep, all because of one simple reason? Their bodies are sluggish from overworked liver and intestines? As we age, our metabolism slows down, fat isn't burned properly, toxins aren't expelled, leading to a growing belly, dull complexion, and constant fatigue. But would you believe that just 1 cup of water made from 4 simple kitchen ingredients, apple, cinnamon, chamomile, and honey, can help lighten your body, shrink your belly, brighten your skin, and improve your sleep every single day? No pills, no diet tea, no starvation. Just 10 minutes of gentle simmering each morning to wake up your digestive system, detox your liver, and naturally enhance your beauty. Think about it. Do you often feel like you gain weight even when you eat less? Wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? Or notice your skin turning dull no matter how much water you drink? If so, your body might be overloaded with toxins without you even realizing it. In today's video, we'll explore the secret to cleansing your body, reducing belly fat, and rejuvenating your skin, all from 1 simple cup of apple cinnamon chamomile honey broth each day. I'll guide you step by step through the recipe, how to cook it, the best time to drink it, how it works inside your body, and who should avoid it, so you can apply it safely and effectively. If you truly care about staying healthy, looking radiant, and sleeping peacefully, stay with me until the end of the video. And don't forget to like, subscribe to live well every day, and leave a comment letting me know where you're watching from, so together we can spread the secret of living well and feeling beautiful every day. Now, let's dive into the natural recipe that so many people are already trusting and following. The first ingredient is a green apple, a familiar fruit that hides countless benefits for your health and beauty. Green apples contain a special compound called pectin, a natural soluble fiber that helps cleanse the intestines, lower bad cholesterol, and support belly fat burning. When apples are cooked, pectin becomes even more active. It works like a gentle broom, sweeping away residue and fat buildup along the intestinal walls. This helps your body feel lighter, your skin glow brighter, and your digestion become smoother. Not only that, green apples are rich in natural organic acids that stimulate the liver's detox process and slow down cell aging. These acids neutralize free radicals, the main culprits behind dull skin and fatigue. The second ingredient is a small stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a common kitchen spice. It's been treasured for centuries as a powerful natural medicine in both traditional and modern healing practices. Inside cinnamon lies a remarkable compound called cinnamaldehyde. This is the key element that helps stimulate metabolism, increasing body heat and accelerating fat breakdown, especially stubborn belly fat. When the body is gently warmed from within, fat cells wake up and begin burning energy naturally, helping to reduce fat without extreme dieting or overexercising. Drinking cinnamon water regularly also helps stabilize blood sugar and cholesterol, 2 major causes behind the 3 highs: high blood sugar, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, that many middle-aged people struggle with. Research shows that even a small daily amount of cinnamon can improve sugar metabolism, reduce fat accumulation around the liver and blood vessels, and support overall metabolic balance. Beyond its health benefits, cinnamon brings a warm, comforting aroma that soothes the mind and uplifts the spirit. Its scent can naturally reduce sugar cravings, helping you eat more moderately. On chilly days, a warm cup of cinnamon-infused water instantly improves circulation, warms the body, and fills the heart with calm energy. For older adults, cinnamon is truly a best friend to the circulatory system. It warms the stomach, eases cold hands and feet, and promotes deep, restful sleep. Just inhaling the faint, sweet scent of cinnamon can make you feel relaxed, cozy, and rejuvenated, ready to embrace a new day with lightness and vitality. The next ingredient is 3 dried chamomile flowers, small, delicate blossoms filled with the essence of nature. Since ancient times, chamomile has been revered as a divine calming herb, enhancing beauty while nurturing the mind. Chamomile contains apigenin, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation, balances hormones, and slows down skin cell aging. Drinking chamomile tea daily helps keep the skin rosy, radiant, and less prone to breakouts. Beyond its beauty effects, chamomile also calms the nervous system, relieves stress, reduces anxiety, and promotes better sleep. For those who often suffer from insomnia, hot flashes, or fatigue from stress, just 1 warm cup of chamomile tea at night can bring deep relaxation and peace of mind. Additionally, chamomile helps gently lower blood pressure, cool the liver, and detoxify the body. That's why it's especially suitable for older adults who need stability in both body and mind for better sleep and overall balance. The final ingredient is 1 spoon of pure honey. Honey has long been considered a precious gift of nature, a symbol of purity and healing. It's rich in natural enzymes, B vitamins, vitamin C, and essential minerals that soothe the stomach, reduce inflammation, and nourish the skin from within. With its natural moisturizing properties, honey keeps the skin soft, radiant, and youthful. When combined with apple, cinnamon, and chamomile, honey doesn't just balance the flavor, it also acts as a natural carrier, enhancing nutrient absorption from the other ingredients. Honey gives the drink a delightful harmony, the gentle tang of apple, the warm spice of cinnamon, the floral sweetness of chamomile, and a soft, comforting aftertaste that lingers warmly on the tongue. The combination of these 4 ingredients, green apple, cinnamon, chamomile, and honey, creates a drink that's both gentle and powerful. Apple helps detoxify, cinnamon burns fat, chamomile soothes and beautifies, and honey restores and replenishes energy. When these ingredients blend together, they don't just make a cleansing drink, they create a warm, comforting experience. Each sip feels like it's washing away the fatigue in your body, leaving behind a sense of lightness, freshness, and inner calm. If you drink 1 cup every day, after just a week you'll start to notice real changes. Your belly feels softer, your skin looks brighter, your sleep becomes deeper, and your spirit feels lighter. That's why this recipe is often called the Burn Cleanse Nourish broth, because it helps burn fat, detoxify the body, and nourish the skin and sleep at the same time. A simple cup, yet it holds the secret to a healthier body and a peaceful mind. Dear friends, the recipe for this apple cinnamon chamomile honey broth is very simple. Anyone can make it. All it takes is a bit of patience and just a few minutes each day to feel lighter, healthier, and more beautiful. First, rinse the apple thoroughly with diluted salt water. Then slice it thinly, keeping the peel on, since that's where most of the precious pectin is found. Soak the dried chamomile flowers in warm water for 2 minutes to soften them. And rinse the cinnamon stick clean. If you're using ground cinnamon instead, only use half a teaspoon. Too much can cause mild stomach discomfort due to its natural spiciness. Once everything is ready, place the apple, cinnamon, and chamomile into a small pot. Add about 500 milliliters of filtered water, roughly 2 full cups. Bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. Then lower the flame and simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. During this time, the sweet aroma of apple and cinnamon will fill your kitchen, creating a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. When the liquid turns a light golden brown, turn off the heat and let it cool to around 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial. If you add honey while the water is still too hot, the enzymes in the honey will be destroyed, losing much of its nutritional value. Wait until the liquid is just warm to the touch. Then add 1 spoonful of pure honey and stir gently until it dissolves. At this moment, The soothing fragrance of cinnamon, chamomile, and honey blends perfectly, making you want to take your first sip right away. How to drink it effectively. If your goal is to reduce belly fat, drink 1 cup about 30 minutes before breakfast. At that time, your digestive system is still empty, allowing the apple and cinnamon to wake up the liver, boost metabolism, and enhance fat burning throughout the day. If your goal is better sleep and relaxation, enjoy a small cup in the late afternoon, around 4 to 5 p.m., when your body starts to feel tired. The gentle aroma of chamomile and cinnamon will help calm your mind, ease tension, and prepare you for a restful night's sleep. After just a few days of consistent use, you'll feel your body becoming lighter and more comfortable. Bloating and indigestion after meals will fade away, and your skin will appear brighter and smoother as your body gets cleansed from within. Many people have shared that after 2 weeks, they not only lose a few pounds but also sleep more soundly, wake up refreshed, and feel more energized each morning. This broth isn't just a drink, it's a daily act of self-love. When you make it, the fragrance of apple, cinnamon, chamomile, and honey fills your home with warmth. And when you drink it, each sip gently flows through your body, washing away exhaustion and leaving behind a quiet peace within your heart. Dear friends, although this drink is natural and gentle, it isn't suitable for everyone. There are a few cases where caution is needed to avoid unwanted reactions in the body. First are pregnant or breastfeeding women. Cinnamon has a naturally warming effect and can mildly stimulate the uterus if consumed in excess. For this group, it's best to consult a doctor or drink it very lightly, just once or twice a week is enough. The second group includes those with stomach pain or digestive ulcers. Since cinnamon has a mild spiciness and apples contain natural acids, people with sensitive stomachs should reduce the amount of cinnamon and avoid drinking on an empty stomach. Adding a few thin slices of ginger can help balance the mixture, warm the stomach, and make digestion easier. Next are people with diabetes or those managing blood sugar levels. This recipe contains honey, healthy but still a natural sugar. If you have diabetes, skip the honey or replace it with a few slices of steamed pear for a gentle sweetness that's safe for your blood sugar. Another note is for those taking blood pressure, blood thinner, or diabetes medications. Cinnamon may enhance the effects of these drugs, so it's best to talk with your doctor before drinking it regularly. An occasional small cup a few times a week is perfectly fine. But for daily use, professional guidance is important for safety. And finally, remember, this apple cinnamon chamomile honey broth is not a medicine. It's a supportive, natural drink that helps your body self-balance, detoxify, and recover gradually. For the best results, maintain a healthy lifestyle, eat less fried food, sleep early, take short walks daily, and keep a joyful mind. When your heart is at peace, circulation improves, and your body naturally grows healthier and more radiant day by day. If you drink 1 small cup every morning, within a week you'll feel lighter, your skin will glow, and you'll sleep better. After a month, many people even notice that not only their belly has slimmed down, but their face also looks more vibrant and youthful. Not long ago, a viewer from the Mekong Delta sent a touching message about her own transformation. Her name is Ms. Han, 58 years old. After turning 50, her body changed dramatically. She felt heavy even with small meals. Her lower belly expanded, her skin dulled, and every night she struggled with sleeplessness. She tried many detox teas and weight loss methods, but nothing worked. Her heart raced, her energy dropped, and her skin worsened. One day, her daughter returned from overseas and noticed her mother's sadness about her body. She gently suggested a natural recipe. "Mom, the Japanese drink warm apple water boiled with cinnamon, chamomile, and honey. It's easy to make, good for your health, brightens your skin, and helps you sleep better." At first, Ms. Han just smiled, thinking it was probably like any other drink. But one morning, she decided to give it a try. As the pot simmered, the aroma of apple and cinnamon filled her kitchen. The warm steam brushed her face, and the soft scent of chamomile made her heart strangely calm. She took a sip. It was mild, sweet, and soothing. From that day on, she brewed a small pot every morning as part of her new routine. After 2 weeks, she noticed her belly soften, her skin brighten, and most importantly, she finally slept through the night. She woke up refreshed, light, and happy. She said, "I never thought happiness in old age could come from a single cup of warm tea each morning." Her story reminds us that to stay healthy and youthful, we don't need expensive or complicated things. Sometimes, all it takes is one small, simple, natural cup each day, made with love and consistency. Your body will heal itself, your skin will glow again, and your heart will rediscover its peace. The apple cinnamon chamomile honey broth is more than just a drink, it's a message. Love yourself with small, natural, and warm gestures. Because true health, beauty, and happiness all begin from peace within. Herb. Dear friends, staying healthy doesn't always require fancy remedies or costly treatments. Sometimes, all it takes is listening to your body and giving yourself a few mindful minutes each day. A warm cup of apple cinnamon chamomile honey, though simple, is a daily act of care and love for your body. If you find this video helpful, please like, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to live well every day to discover more simple yet powerful health secrets from nature. Wishing you all good health, peace of mind, radiant skin, and endless energy every single day. Herb.